working with KeyCreator CAD software and have a KSA file? This contains saved application settings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these KeyCreator settings archive files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for KSA file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. KSA files are settings archive files used by KeyCreator, a 3D CAD software developed by Kubotek for mechanical design and manufacturing. They contain application preferences, toolbar configurations, user interface customizations, and modeling option settings, allowing engineers to back up and share their personalized KeyCreator working environment configurations. KSA files use an archive format containing serialized settings data for KeyCreator's various configuration components, including UI layouts, shortcut assignments, default modeling parameters, rendering preferences, and tool defaults. The format integrates with KeyCreator's settings management system, enabling complete environment backup and restoration. System file recognition for KSA is optimized for Kubotek USA KeyCreator by Kubotek Corporation. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows cannot verify whether settings are correct, so improper edits may cause problems. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the KSA file and choose Open With. Start with Kubotek USA KeyCreator if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your KSA file still refuses to open, stay calm. The error is a consequence of the KSA format's specific requirements. Here is a breakdown of the technical reasons your application is failing to recognize it. First, importing in KeyCreator. Launch Kubotek KeyCreator and access the settings management feature through Tools menu or Application Options. Use the Import Settings or Restore Archive function to load the KSA file. KeyCreator applies the saved configurations, updating the application interface preferences and defaults to match the archive settings. Next, backing up configuration. Within KeyCreator, use the Settings Export or Archive function to create new KSA files, preserving your customized environment. Store backups in safe locations to recover from system failures, or migrate settings between installations. Regular backups protect investment in workflow customization for productive KID operations. Finally, sharing team settings. Distribute KSA files among team members to standardize KeyCreator configurations across an engineering department. Consistent settings improve collaboration efficiency and training. Document the included settings before sharing to communicate changes to team members, ensuring smooth adoption of standardized environments across the organization. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.